Hello everyone, we're going to start a new project today from our beef cattle unit. We're going to start our consumer byproduct project and we are going to do it on Canva. Okay, so you're going to go to canva.com, if you can see up here at the top. You're going to log in. You should be able to use your school email just like we have done before because we have logged in and done a project on Canva before. Okay, then you're going to, I want you to do what we call an infographic. Okay, so you're going to click up here at the top on infographic. One should pull up just like so on the screen. You want to make sure that as you're scrolling through your infographic choices, that if you notice on the bottom here, it's got a little money sign. Okay, that means that it costs money and we don't want to use that one because we don't want to pay for it. Therefore, we're going to look through until we find one that's free. Okay, and once we find one that's free, we're going to make sure that we use the free ones. Okay, so here's a good example. There's one for free. Okay, so now we're going to actually change this infographic to make it into our own that's about beef byproducts. Okay, so if I was you, I would Google beef byproducts. Okay, this should come up with an endless amount of lists that have beef byproducts on them. You need 5 beef products to put onto your infographic. Okay, you only need 5. So what you're going to do, first thing you're going to do, is you're going to change the name of this from important diet processes to beef byproducts. Okay, then you're going to put your name. Okay. And then from there, you're going to go through and you're going to explain, first give a definition of what a byproduct is, and then each of these pictures and titles should be changed with your byproduct that you choose. Once you have changed the pictures and the names, so say I did leather here, okay, I would put examples of leather, okay, so a beef byproduct. After you delete all this, which is going to take forever. Let me get this to work. Okay, so you're going to say one byproduct is leather. Leather comes from the hide of the cow and is used to make footballs, shoes, and handbags. Okay, I want you to give me a little summary of each byproduct on each thing, and then you're going to change the picture. Okay, there are multiple ways to do this. You can search over here, search for football, okay, and then scroll through and make sure that it's free or it will charge you. If it says pro, that means you will have to pay for it at the end, okay, or you can actually upload a photo from Google if you choose to do that, okay. So if you were to upload a picture, you would go back to Google, type in football, okay, I don't know why that didn't work. Football. Okay, go to images. Click on the football. Whoops. I'm doing this on a Mac, so it's a little bit different than what you do on a PC. You're going to right click basically on your football. You're going to click Save Image As. Okay, then you're just going to save it. I would save it to your downloads, just that way you know where it's at. Okay, then you're going to go back to your infographic. You're going to click Uploads. Okay, upload your own image. And there it should pop up on your downloads. Double click, and there it is in your library. And you can actually drag it over to here. Okay, first, I would make sure that I got rid of my other picture in the background. Okay, you may have to get rid of your football first and go back through. Okay. You may have to move your football over. Click on that picture there. Okay. So, as you notice, you can change the background as well. Maybe you wanted the background to be blue. Okay, again, when you're looking through them, make sure that yours is free. Okay, because when you get to the end, it will charge you if you do not make sure it's free. Okay, so when you're done, say, I'm done. Make sure that you go up here and you press save. Okay, it'll save it as your Beef Byproducts. Then I want you to download it and just click download. Okay, then I want you to log into your school email and email it to me through that as a downloaded image. I don't want you to try to email it directly from Canva. Sometimes that does not work. I want to make sure that you get it turned in right. Okay, and then you should have it downloaded and you should be able to log into your school email and email it directly to me. If there are any questions, just let me know and I will be glad to help you. Okay? That's your project. It is due tomorrow at the end of class. So you have 2 class periods to work on it, so it should be perfect by the end of class. All right.